Hello, Leo. Welcome to your October 16 to 31st reading. In this reading, I'm going to be covering all the aspects that I get to hear about from the spirit side about you. And let's go forward and see. But first, wish you all a very happy Navratri and a happy Durga Puja. For all those who are watching me from India, you'd be able to relate to this. But all those who are not watching me from India still would like to find out more about this. You can Google about this. This is Shardiya Navratris. From 17th to 25th of October. On the last day, the 10th day, we celebrate Durga Puja. During this period, we invoke Goddess Durga and seek her blessings to bring in abundance, love, light, happiness, success into our lives for the rest of the year and for the entire life. So I wish you all that beautiful energy into your life, Leos. Let's move forward and see what I'm getting for you. I have the Eight of Earth. That's nice. Good energy to begin with. And I have Page of Earth. Lots of Earth energy. Could be dealing with an Earth sign. We have Seven of Air. What else do we have for Leos? I feel like some of you Leos could be doing a little bit of research work. This is about you or someone else or about a situation or about an organization. You're learning something here. You could be training yourself for something. I have experiencing. Some of you could be even learning from your experiences. Yeah. What is this about? Creativity. You have good news coming in about financial matters here, Leo. And you may be wanting to take up challenges. You're feeling so inspired. You're feeling very creative. And you may be wanting to take up new challenges here. Some of you could be trying to educate yourself or train in a new area of study or learn a new modality. I have the card of friendliness. I feel like some of your plans need a little bit of revision here, Leos, because there is a lot more going on in the background that meets the eye, and I feel like time is not right to just march ahead. Friendliness. Why do we have the card of friendliness here, Spirit? What is the meaning of this friendliness here? Okay. There is someone around you who's acting very friendly, but they have hidden meanings, hidden agendas here. Yeah, this is the card of liar, cheater, stealer here. They could be acting really friendly or being very nice to you. We have Seven of Wands. They could be trying to get their way around you for something. And probably that's why the spirit is telling me go a little slowly because time is not right to execute all your plans and your plans need revision. We have the King of Wands. This is someone who has been watching you for some time and wants to start something with you. We have the Fool energy here. Okay. All right. For those of you who are looking at this reading with regards to business, work, or profession, I feel like this person has been around you, observing you, your way of work, how you execute things, and they're trying to convince you. They're trying to come in. They're trying to work with you. But this is not the kind of way I appreciate someone coming in. We have the Seven of Swords here, the cheater, stealer energy, and some of you could even be going out into the world fighting for this person, or trying to support this person. But yeah, okay. We have Ace of Swords, we have Page of Swords. I have another story also here, Leos. What the other thing that I'm getting is you could be wanting to start something new with someone else here, and you're also willing to cut off ties, or you've been thinking about cutting off some ties from the past, or cutting or doing away from people from around you. But you've been feeling very, very heavy in your heart and your mind, too much going on inside of you. Some of you, Leos, could even be interacting with a lot of your friends, going out, socializing, and I feel that brings in opportunities for you also. So there are these two stories that I'm getting here. See whichever resonates with your situation better. We have the Empress energy here. Wow. So we have a very powerful person around you right now, and this could be an earth sign. Um, but it is not limited to just being the earth sign here, Leos. But this person is very, very strongly present in your reading. I feel like this person is either walking away from you or you're walking away from this situation because you feel like this is Three of Swords energy. There could be a heartbreak or you're scared to approach them. But there's the energy of Eight of Cups, Three of Swords, and Nine of Wands. You may be a little fearful about approaching them and may want to walk away from the situation. You feel like it's probably not going to work out because there are too many people here in this situation already. And I also feel like you're working very strong and hard towards your money, towards your pentacles here. I have the Virgo energy. We have the Hermit. Like I said, you may have a strong earth sign here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But that's not limited to these signs just yet. I feel like you could be going inside, moving away from relationships and turning away from people at this moment in time, and working on your growth, financial growth, your abundance, your success. Yes, you're coming to a point of celebration here with regards to your own growth. That's looking good. Show me more about this. Hierophant energy. You're definitely restructuring some things about yourself. Some of you Leos who were previously in a relationship could be thinking about a marriage with this person, but you're not going to reveal this to them right now. I feel like you're going to, with the Hermit energy, you're going to keep this to yourself. You're walking away from the relationship probably just to come back later on. Yes, so with the Ten of Cups, you are looking at this person and this energy. You're first working upon yourself. You kind of feel like you want to grow up to certain expectations or grow up to a certain level or reach a certain spot before you can talk to this person or open up to them completely. But with the Hierophant energy and the Ten of Cups, I feel like you want to settle down with them. You see a long-term future with them. We have the Emperor. I definitely feel there is something really powerful and strong going on here, Leos. With the Ten of Cups, Five of Cups. Why do we have Five of Cups here? So I feel like you want to, you are so not sure about this situation. Sometimes there's this push and pull energy here. I feel like sometimes you are ready, that's what I feel, but I feel like your person is not ready, and that's what's keeping you in the dark. Let me draw you some more cards here and see what's coming forward for you. What do we have for Leos? Do we have a message for Leos? What's your message? What's the message for Leos, please? What's the message for Leos? I have two cards for you. They say transformation, a fresh new way of living emerges. I feel like Leos, this is definitely you. Out of all the confusion that you have been going through, this is because this transformation was happening for you, and now you're very powerfully standing in this energy and you're feeling this freshness, and that's why probably you're going to look at this relationship from a very mature standpoint and try and come at it a little later. I feel right now you are going to keep it to yourself. Yeah, you don't want to lose this person is what I'm getting, and probably that's why you're going to work on a different aspect in life, grow there, and then think about this a little later. I have watching clouds for you. Lie back, rest and relax. You've been thinking so much in your head, Leos, that this confusion is creating that stress in your mind. I also have the card of protected by angels for you. You are cherished by the angels. So if you're feeling lost, all alone, by yourself, don't feel so, because you are very strongly watched over by angels. And you're protected. You are being guided at this point in time when your healing is taking place. I feel like this is happening at the mass level for the Leos in the process of ascension. This healing is drawing you inside, healing you there at the level of your heart chakra and your sacral chakra. And once you're completely sure, feeling secure, and that growth has happened for you, That's when you may feel like coming back to this relationship. I have the card of enlightenment. So Scorpio's got this card. A similar energy was there for Aries too. Aries is also a fire sign like you, Leo. And we have the card of enlightenment for you. So for all the readings that I've done so far, we have had the card of enlightenment only for Scorpios and for you. Some of you Leos could be dealing with Scorpios as well. But we're also approaching the Scorpio season. So that's when you're getting enlightenment and the similar cards. And that's why you're feeling you're being protected by angels in this time of ascension, where you are on the verge of enlightenment. And when this awakening happens for you, you're not going to be seeking anymore. You have, oh my god, I have shuffled the cards just before you, and the Scorpio's got the exact same cards, enlightenment and guilt, and in the exact order. So I have been saying that you could be dealing with a Scorpio, or but we're already very close to the Scorpio season. And please go and look at that sign, that reading for Scorpios. I don't know if you have something there you need to look at. But what is this guilt about? We have recovery. There is some, I was speaking about your heart chakra and your sacral chakra being worked upon by the energies right now. This card is the sacral chakra connection card here. And with the recovery, I feel like you are recovering. So I'm saying that your energies are being healed. And with the card of the recovery, you are coming to a point of full balance here. Give me some more cards for Leos. We have rejection. You're rejecting the past. Everything that came to you from the past, those feelings, people, emotions, and those stale ideas, their stale memories, you're rejecting all that right now here, Leos. We have the card of service. Some of you Leos could even be offering service or care, or you may be a caregiver, you may be nursing someone, but you are offering help, support, and service and advice to someone in this time frame here. What else do I need to look at? I have the card of breakthrough and mind. So Leos, like I said, you are in this position, in this period of recovery, healing, and that's why you're not very sure, but a lot of things you are sure of, and you want to go forward with those. However, you're being asked to take a look at your plans. And let me remind you that we are in this Mercury retrograde phase where communications could take a backseat or become very slow. You need to look at your papers very carefully. Don't sign any documents. If you do go forward with signing those, make sure you have carefully read each and every word. And we have the card of mind and breakthrough. So in your mind, you are arriving at a powerful position where these downloads are happening, spiritual downloads are happening, divinely guided ideas are coming to you very strongly. And you are going to put two and two together to arrive at the position that you felt scattered about earlier. But this position, you are on the verge of a breakthrough here. Let me draw you some more cards and see. What more messages do you have for Leos? We have the miser. Why do we have the miser? We have ripeness. So, okay, I'm going to elaborate on this. Exhaustion. So, some of you Leos could be feeling exhausted, not maybe wanting to go out 100% and work. Leos love to sleep. So if you're feeling exhausted, please get some sleep. And then once again, go out, look at your ideas, get working upon them, because you have the card of ripeness, and you also all had the card of breakthrough previously. So your ideas are going to bear fruit right now here in this phase, where I somehow feel that you have to execute these ideas in this frame. And towards the mid-November, you could be seeing a lot of these ideas giving you a good time. I'm going to pull one more card for you, and then we're going to close this reading. We have the card of Ten of Water. Ten of Water is the Ten of Cups here. I have two Ten of Cups in your reading already, Leos. You are definitely looking here at a very happy family time or a rewarding time in your life with regards to a relationship. Some of you could be thinking about settling down with this person, but your emotional and I feel like your material needs, both of these needs are definitely taken care of in this phase, and you need not worry because you already have the protection of angels. And I also feel a lot of trustworthy relationships are forming for you here in this time frame. A lot of influential people are coming into your life here, Leos. So that's what I have for you for now, Leos. Do join me on Facebook and Instagram where I go live and offer free readings. The links to both these places are available in the description box below. If you'd like to book a private reading with me, you can send me a mail on kavyajaispal9@gmail.com. This email ID is also provided in the description box below. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, love, luck, and abundance and success to you, my lovely Leos. And happy Navratri and happy Dashera from Kavya. Bye bye.